Hello everyone. Today we are quickly going to revise the topic drugs and different types of drugs. And this is the part of the chapter Human Health and Diseases. So there are three main types of drugs. Opioids, cannabinoids, alkaloids. First, let's talk about opioids. So, opioid receptors are present in CNS and GIT. So, receptors are present in CNS and GIT. Examples of opioids are first heroin and morphine. Now let's talk about heroin. This is a diacetyl morphine. It's white in color and it has no particular smell, so it's odorless. It's present in crystalline form, and this mainly works as a depressant. So this is important, you should remember this. It acts as a depressant. Now, cannabinoids. So the receptors of cannabinoids are present in brain, and the natural cannabinoids are obtained from cannabis sativa. This is important, you should remember this. And examples of the drugs is marijuana, hashish, charas, ganja. The third category is alkaloids. Now, alkaloids are obtained from Erythroxylum coca plant. And the examples of drugs in this category are cocaine, coke, also known as coke, or crack. Now, the feelings that this particular category of drugs produce are euphoria, and if taken in high doses, it causes. So, high doses cause hallucination. And the plants from which this drug is obtained are datura, atropa belladonna. One more thing I forgot to mention is morphine. Morphine is an opioid, and this is extracted from the latex of poppy plant. Poppy is also known as Papaver somniferum, and this is a sedative and a painkiller. So remember the effects that these drugs cause, and this is generally given during a surgery.